Hi there, this is Kelly with Kelly & Co. And I am doing a tutorial for you on how to do a Facebook Live from your computer. I have also done one on how to do it from your mobile device, at least your iOS and Apple product. I don't have an Android product to do one from, but this is how you do it from your computer. So you go to your Facebook page, make sure it's your page and not your personal profile, and you click on Live right here, and it will take you to another screen. So it's going to access your camera. Hi there. So you want to say up here, part of a tutorial on how to do a Facebook Live from your computer. So do that, and then you make sure that this is all here, and then the title is part of tutorial. That works. Tags I would do for me, social media, marketing, digital marketing works. So those work for that. And I notice when you do this from a computer, it doesn't appear as if you can do the filters and stuff, all the fun stuff like you can from your phone. But anyway, this is how you do this. And then we'll just go live for just a few minutes, and then I'll stop it, and then I'll show you what happens after you do it. So clearly you can be on your Facebook Live. You got the camera on you. You know what's going on. You can see what you look like, if your hair is all crazy or not, and if you need to fix it, put on lipstick, whatever, before you go live. So I think sometimes people feel like as soon as they click that live button, then they're live out there on Facebook, but that's not true. You click the live button, you get the preview, you get to put in your information, figure out what you're doing, and then you go live. So also, I want to point out, make sure that up here in the right-hand corner that you make sure it says share on a page that you manage, and it's the correct page, because you have the option to do on your timeline, in a group, in an event. So make sure it's on the page that you manage and that it's the correct page. So you ready? We're going to go live. So hang in there. I think there's a countdown. There is, so you know. Hi there, this is Kelly Alexander with Kelly & Co. And what I'm filming right now is part of a Facebook Live tutorial that I'm recording to share with the people joining my 10-day Facebook Live challenge, because we all want to get over our fear of doing Facebook Lives. And so I'm doing a 10-day challenge starting November 5th. So I'm super excited about that, and we will see you soon. So you just click on the end live video, and it's done now, and then you click on done. Or if you think it was a hot complete mess, you can click delete video, and then that's it. So, but if you click done, it will show up on your timeline. And of course, you can always go in if you have second thoughts and you're like, yeah, I don't want that to show there either. You can go in after it's posted to your timeline and delete it there too. So we're going to go ahead and click done. And so now it should show up on there. It may take a few seconds. So I refreshed it. And that always takes a couple seconds to refresh, especially with a page for some reason. Let's scroll down here and see if it's here. Waiting. This is all the stuff. And there it is. So if you want to delete it, if you decide you just don't want to show it on your timeline or whatever, you can click right here and you can delete from page. So you have an option even after you post it to delete it if you just don't want it on there. So don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions prior to us doing our 10-day Facebook challenge. And I'm super excited about it. It's going to be 10 days Facebook Live challenge. So I will talk to you soon.